it? Yeah, this is it.
Yep, this is right before the...
This might be the miss. No.
Okay.
Boy, that was quick.
Great shot. Okay, we got a narrow one. We got a narrow one. It's high and back, but you'll be okay.
Yeah, it never did come out.
He's getting ready to go down now.
Yeah.
Oh,
I thought maybe I'd
he's
get
down.
back, but I didn't.
Beautiful.
Well, he fell not long after that. He slid the whole way.
And then all them leaves, I think he.
Cameraman didn't shut it off.
You get excited, man. You're pumped up too. It's unbelievable. Look at him.
No, not quite. we want to get
Oh, awesome.
down with something. See what bucket it is. Great shot.
That was a great shot.
We got it done. Strike two. It was a home run.
Josh, you want to see the miss?
Yeah.